just set up. We're here at the Property Investors Show. Other people are setting up. This is one of the live theatres. So we're actually going to be speaking in this live theatre on Friday. I think about 1:15. We're speaking in Live Theatre 3 on Saturday at 4:10, talking about industrial conversions, how you can convert industrial buildings into residential schemes.
So here we are on our way to the Property Investors Show, day one. We've got Ritchie in the hot seat driving the Luxo bus, and we're just passing, actually, point of interest, there is a hotel that was actually designed by Ritchie. Didn't obviously want to risk sleeping in it, but we're going past it. It's still standing, so always a good time. So I've just arrived at Excel. I thought I'd just introduce you to one of the problems that you can have with a car-obsessive business partner. So we tasked Ritchie with the job of going out and getting a van to take us to Excel, expecting a little sort of small transit or something, and we end up with one of these, a £70,000 Mercedes-Benz, brand new actually, 0 miles on the clock. Here we go, full leather interior, 8 seats in fact, obviously for the two of us, which is handy. So top tip for next time, do it yourself here. Set up with a little pan round. You can see everything's done. There's sound checks, everybody's getting ready, all things being wheeled in, and Mr. Clapson's on the stand already, waiting to take your inquiries.
Hello there, hi, it's Ritchie Clapson. We're up here at the Property Investor Show at Excel. I'm just about to go on to Seminar 3. This is the last session, last speaking slot for the whole of the seminars. I'm just going to be talking about industrial conversions, so I'm just going to go on there now and give the crowd something to cheer about on a Saturday evening. So speak to you soon.
So this is the aftermath of the Property Investor Show. We just packed up literally half an hour after the show's finished, and it's all over. So Property Investor Show over for yet another 6 months. So we'll be back here next time. Let's have a look at the massive space that we have at the Excel, huge space. And it's all been dismantled as I speak. So that's it for us. We will see you again next time in October. See you then.